Got all my setup, all these layers are completely filled up. I'm going to try and make it move to the beat. So how we do that? How do we do that? We go into settings, go into sound, input, internal microphone. You can see it's working here. Yeah? So that's all working. It's all working, all good. Here we are, layer 1. Got this circular movement going on. Got to move the sound level in. It's now picking up sound, picking up any surrounding sound. We then go into auto scale. We're going to make it move bigger and smaller. Sound in, bang. Speed, make it quite fast. Size, make it quite big. Right, look at that. Turn it up a bit. No